Welcome everyone. Namaste. Thank you Sachin for giving us a brief intro on antimicrobial, three different types. He gave the information on sanitizers and disinfectants and sterilants. So here we are to discuss further about sanitizers first. And I have a sanitizer. This is the one we each, everyone, including in restaurants and any grocery stores, even in our home or any friend's home we go in. So they always squirt a little bit of this, and then we use this one to spread it on our, between the palms and back of it, and then in between the fingers also we do this one. So we are thinking that this is going to kill most of the bacteria. So we would like to find out further as to how this is effective and what kind of further information we can get into. And let's go and find out further from Sachin.
So more on sanitizers. Like we said before, sanitizers are the lowest class of antimicrobials. This doesn't, however, mean that they're entirely useless. No, they in fact are pretty useful. However, you need to be wary of a couple of things. Number one, hand sanitizer, which we have right here, is only effective against naked germs. What do I mean when I say naked germs? I mean just what I said. Germs that are naked, meaning that are fully exposed on the surface. What if, let's say, my hands are grimy and greasy? I just slap on some hand sanitizer and rub away and they're all dead? No, far from it. That won't happen. Why? Because a lot of the germs can be trapped inside of that dirt and grease. And unless you get that dirt, that grease, whatever it is, off of your hands, you're not going to be able to get the germs that reside inside of it. So that's number one. Whatever it is that you're trying to sanitize must be clean in the first place before you can sanitize it. So when I say clean, that doesn't mean that it's yet been sanitized. Don't confuse the two. Being clean just means it's free of dirt, residue, grease, and other things. It's free of any soils. However, it can still have lots of pathological microbes residing on it. That is when we use either three techniques of antimicrobials. And that is pretty effective. Now, as far as the coronavirus is concerned, actually, at least on inanimate surfaces, meaning surfaces that aren't living, it's a pretty weak virus. It's easy to kill. But that's not the case in vivo, meaning in real life, in the body. It's hard to kill in the body, of course. But if it's, let's say, on a doorknob, on a sink, on your dishes, on whatever, it's pretty easy to kill. Or even on your hands. And that's why I think the best way to use hand sanitizer is to first wash your hands thoroughly with soap, for the recommended 20 seconds. I go for 30 seconds. Sing your ABCs all the way, real slowly. And then after that, dry your hands. Use a paper towel. Don't use a regular towel because that can have a lot of germs. After that, you can use some sanitizer as a extra safeguard. And that would be an effective way of using the sanitizers.
Thank you, Sachin.